Hi everyone, welcome to Accounting with Morgan. This is the financial accounting series, and today we will be talking about common journal entries. Journal entries are how we record business transactions using debit and credits. The common entries are those that happen frequently, like receiving cash, paying expenses, or providing services. Understanding these examples will make writing entries second nature. Let's look at some of the most typical types of journal entries. So you have cash receipts, cash payments, sales or service revenue, expense payments, purchasing assets like supplies or equipment, and then loan entries, either borrowing money or repaying it. These will form the majority of entries you're going to see in this series. A quick reminder on formatting: first write the date of the transaction, then list the debit account aligned to the left. Next, list the credit account slightly indented, and always include some sort of short description. This format keeps things neat and professional. Here's example one. This is a very common one. So paying employee salaries. Let's say your company pays $2,000 in wages. So you would debit salaries expense for $2,000 and credit cash for $2,000. This shows that the business incurred an expense and used cash to pay it. Debits and credits are equal, so that's a good sign. Here's another: providing services but not receiving cash right away. Let's say you do $1,500 worth of work for a customer who will pay later. You debit accounts receivable because they owe you money and credit service revenue to show income earned. This entry reflects income now and cash later. Here are a few tips to remember journal entries. Know the type of accounts involved. Understand whether each account is going up or down. And most importantly, always double check that your debits equal your credits. Summary: common journal entries include everyday transactions like expenses, revenues, and cash movements. Memorizing the basic structure of each makes everything easier. And practice is the way to lock this in, especially with quizzes and exams. Thank you for watching. I will attach practice quizzes like I do for every video, and like and subscribe for more. And up next, we will be discussing posting to the ledger.